E-commerce has a promising future. 2022 will be an innovative year, but it will also put pressure on businesses to develop new strategies and provide a better customer experience. So, what can we expect from e-commerce in 2022? Welcome back to our channel E-commerce Know-How, and today we're going to discuss some exciting e-commerce trends for 2022. Number 6. Local marketplaces launch globally. Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, and Etsy are all well-known international marketplaces. But did you know that nearly every country has its own local online marketplace? And it won't be long before some of them are available to global users and consumers. Shopee, for example, is a marketplace that was previously only available in Southeast Asia, but is now expanding to India and Latin America. Flipkart, based in India, and Mercado Libre, based in Buenos Aires, Argentina, both have significant market expansion potential. Drone delivery is another e-commerce trend that is expected to take off in 2022. With FedEx, Amazon, and Alibaba already experimenting with this delivery method, we can expect other shipping companies to follow suit and incorporate this technology into their delivery systems. Drones' mobility allows them to travel faster across and above terrains, making them a viable delivery option for perishable goods and medicines. Furthermore, self-driving delivery robots will gain popularity. This cutting-edge technology is a viable alternative to drones, which can deliver packages over short distances. Many people are probably already aware of Starship, which revolutionized food and package delivery in 2014. The Amazon Scout can now navigate neighborhoods and deliver packages to your door. Number 3. Consumers support environmental sustainability and cruelty-free products. Given e-commerce's rapid growth and user penetration rate, global expansions of some marketplaces will be an excellent opportunity to introduce your brand, market and sell your products to a larger audience, and avoid competition. Number 5. More markets accept cryptocurrency as payment. Although the cryptocurrency market is risky and volatile, large e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and BigCommerce continue to support it. Indeed, these platforms now allow third-party crypto payment gateways to be integrated into their users' shops, allowing them to accept cryptocurrencies as payment for online purchases. Bitcoin is now accepted as payment on commerce marketplaces such as Etsy, Newegg, and eGifter. As consumers become more comfortable with the idea of paying with cryptocurrency, we can anticipate better defined rules for accepting these payments in the future. Number 4. Drones and robots for faster delivery. The preservation and protection of the environment is a critical consumer issue that continues to influence how brands act and operate. People are becoming more aware of environmental issues such as global warming, pollution, and ozone layer depletion, and they expect businesses to act ethically and responsibly. As a result, consumers are becoming more conscious of their purchasing habits in order to reduce their environmental impact. Many people are also actively advocating for cruelty-free products, such as vegan food, brand Beyond Meat, and environmentally sustainable toilet paper company Who Gives a Crap, and scrutinizing how businesses manufacture and package their goods. Consumers nowadays would rather actively support businesses that address sustainability rather than simply avoiding or not purchasing from those that do not align with their values. Number 2. Voice commerce. Voice commerce is not a novel concept. When Amazon Echo took off in 2014, the concept of creating a device linked to a voice-controlled personal assistant that people could use to purchase products was clearly in the works. However, it has only been in the last few years that more people and businesses have begun to embrace the convenience of conducting purchases via voice with smart devices and mobile phones. Global transactions and purchases via voice assistants are expected to increase 400% over the next 2 years. The voice commerce market is expected to be worth $19.4 billion by 2023, up from $4.6 billion at the end of 2021. Keeping this in mind, voice search will undoubtedly be a game changer by 2022. To continue expanding your digital reach, optimize your brand products and services for voice search. Number 1. Augmented and virtual reality. Many companies, including IKEA, Sephora, and Adidas, have incorporated AR and VR into their product promotions, providing a virtual experience to guide customers toward making a purchase is both interesting and exciting from the standpoint of the brand and the customer. AR and VR technology is fascinating in and of itself, but it becomes even more intriguing when used to provide an interactive shopping experience. Furthermore, this type of technology can provide customers with more information about a brand's products, lowering the risk of returns due to misleading sales. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your views about these e-commerce trends? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.